In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export contacts in Outlook. If you're moving to Outlook from another service or simply creating a backup of your address book, this walkthrough will keep things simple and clear. We'll start right from the source. Open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, select All Microsoft to see the full list of apps and services, then choose Outlook. If you aren't already signed in, click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account details. Once you're in Outlook on the web, head to your contacts by selecting People. This is where all contact management lives. Inside People, look for Manage Contacts. This is your control panel for bringing contacts in and taking them out. Let's begin with importing. Choose Import Contacts. Outlook imports from a CSV file, which is a simple spreadsheet format many services can export. If you already have a CSV ready, click to upload your file. As a tip, make sure your CSV has clear headings like first name, last name, and email address, and that the data sits under the correct columns. After you've selected the file, click Import. Outlook will process the list and add those entries to your contacts. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. When it's done, you should see the new contacts appear in your People view, and you can search or edit any details if needed. Now let's export. This is perfect for creating a backup or moving to another app. Still in People, open Manage Contacts again and select Export Contacts. You'll be asked to choose which contacts to export. You can select specific people if you only need a subset, or choose all contacts to capture everything. Once you've made your selection, click Export. Outlook will prepare a CSV file and download it to your computer. Keep this file in a safe place and consider renaming it with the date so you know when it was created. Most email and contact apps can import CSV files, so this gives you a flexible way to transfer your address book wherever you need it. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to import contacts with a CSV file and how to export them out of Outlook for safekeeping or sharing. If something doesn't look right after importing, double check the columns in your CSV and try again to ensure the fields line up correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.